This is a 69 Buick GSX, and it'll run 12 9s? 12 60s? Jesus. And how much does this thing weigh? Like 3,300 pounds? 38?
Didn't even have headers on that. It's the manifolds.
Oh, wow. Buick's always got some shit and get, man. My buddy's got an 03 actually, and they came stock supercharged, and it looks like just a regular ass vehicle.
Yeah, they're sleeper.
And then out of nowhere, it's like, Eep! It's like, what? I like the cancer thing there. That's cool.
Yeah, man. Ex-wife was a cancer survivor, so I left that on there.
So I can't believe this. The stock everything's, well, not everything, but stock AC works, stock-ish. What's the paint and that stripe and everything like? What's
The GSX package.
okay? Love the interior. Got the roll down back windows. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put your car on YouTube, dude. Nice. Look at that. You can fit about 6 bodies in there.
You can rent it out, man. It's an apartment on wheels.